Ever wondered how the world would look if robots took over most of the tasks? Welcome to the realm of robotics and automation, a technological revolution that's transforming our lives and reshaping the way we work. Imagine a world where machines perform tasks with precision and efficiency, from assembling intricate components in manufacturing plants to vacuuming your living room. This isn't a far-off science fiction scenario. It's happening right now. Robots are no longer confined to the realm of sci-fi movies. They're here, in our factories, our homes, even our pockets. They're packing our groceries, assembling our cars, and in some cases, even brewing our coffee. And automation? It's the invisible hand guiding these robots. The software algorithms and artificial intelligence that make it all possible. It's the brains behind the brawn, the puppet master pulling the strings. So why should we care about robotics and automation? Because whether we like it or not, they are reshaping our world. So what exactly is robotics? Well, let's dive right into it. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that integrates computer science, electronics, and mechanics to design and construct robots. Now you might be thinking, what are robots? In simple terms, robots are programmable machines capable of carrying out a series of tasks independently or semi-independently. But not all robots are created equal. There are various types, each with its own unique capabilities and applications. For instance, we have industrial robots that streamline manufacturing processes, medical robots that assist in intricate surgeries, and even service robots that cater to our day-to-day needs. From autonomous vacuum cleaners to drones delivering packages, robots are everywhere, making our lives easier and more efficient. Now, let's delve a little deeper. The field of robotics is governed by three fundamental principles, often referred to as the three laws of robotics. First, a robot must not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. Second, a robot must obey orders given to it by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. And lastly, a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. These principles guide the design and programming of robots, ensuring they operate safely and effectively within their intended environments. But it's not all about mechanics and programming. Robotics is also about imagination. It's about envisioning a future where machines can assist, and sometimes even outperform humans. Robots are already doing things that were once considered the realm of science fiction. They're exploring the depths of the ocean, venturing into the farthest reaches of space, and even helping us to understand the intricate workings of the human brain. As we can see, robotics is a field where science and imagination meet to create machines that can assist, and sometimes even outperform humans. It's a fascinating world where the possibilities are as limitless as our collective imagination. So, let's continue this journey and see where it takes us. Now that we know about robotics, let's dive into automation. Automation is a broad term that refers to the use of systems or machines to perform tasks that would otherwise require human effort. Think of it as a technology by which a process or procedure is performed with minimal human assistance. There are different types of automation, each serving a unique purpose. Fixed automation, for instance, is designed for high-volume, repetitive tasks. It's like an assembly line in a factory where the same task is performed over and over again. Programmable automation, on the other hand, caters to a batch production process where the system can be reprogrammed to perform different tasks. Then there's flexible automation, a more sophisticated type, capable of producing a variety of products with virtually no time lost for changeovers. Automation has permeated various industries, from manufacturing and retail to healthcare and hospitality. It has been used to improve efficiency, increase productivity, and reduce human error. For example, in manufacturing, automation can speed up the production process and improve quality control. In the healthcare industry, it can streamline administrative tasks, freeing up time for healthcare professionals to focus on patient care. However, as with any technological advancement, automation comes with its own set of challenges. It can lead to job displacement as machines replace human workers. There's also the risk of cybercrime, as automated systems can be vulnerable to hacking. Despite these challenges, the benefits of automation often outweigh the drawbacks. Automation can handle tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or mundane, freeing humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks. It can also operate tirelessly around the clock, boosting productivity and efficiency. Beyond the workplace, automation has the potential to simplify our personal lives. Consider smart home technology. With a simple voice command, we can control our home's lighting, temperature, and security systems. That's automation at work. Automation, thus, is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can revolutionize industries and our personal lives. Whether it's speeding up production in a factory, streamlining administrative tasks in a hospital, or simplifying tasks at home, automation is transforming the way we live and work. But how do robotics and automation interact with each other? This is a question that sparks intrigue in the minds of many. The fascinating interplay between robotics and automation is a realm that is constantly evolving and shaping the future of technology as we know it. Let's delve a little deeper. Robotics and automation, though distinct, share a synergistic relationship. Automation refers to the use of machines, control systems, or algorithms to perform tasks that otherwise require human effort. On the other hand, robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, and application of robots. These robots are, in fact, a form of automation themselves, as they are used to perform tasks more efficiently and with precision. One might say, robotics is the embodiment of automation, the physical manifestation of the concept. By automating tasks, robots can work tirelessly, often with more accuracy and efficiency than their human counterparts. They can work in environments that are hazardous to humans, and they never tire, get bored, or call in sick. Now, let's touch upon a concept that beautifully merges these two fields. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA for short. RPA is a game changer in the world of business process automation. It uses software robots, or bots, to automate repetitive tasks that were previously performed by humans. These tasks could range from data entry to customer service inquiries. RPA bots can interact with any system or application in the same way humans do, but with unparalleled speed and accuracy. By integrating RPA into their operations, businesses can drastically reduce their operating costs, improve accuracy, and free up their human workforce to focus on more strategic, higher-value tasks. It's a win-win situation. Businesses become more efficient, and employees are liberated from mundane, repetitive tasks. In essence, robotics and automation are two sides of the same coin, working together to create more efficient and advanced systems. They are driving the technological revolution, transforming industries, and changing the way we live and work. These are exciting times, and we're just at the beginning of this incredible journey. So what does the future hold for robotics and automation? The horizon of robotics and automation is ever expanding, with technological advancements propelling us into a future that once seemed like science fiction. We're on the precipice of a new era, where robots and automated systems will become an integral part of our everyday lives. One of the most thrilling prospects is the development of autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world where cars, trucks, and even airplanes navigate themselves, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. This isn't just a pipe dream. Companies around the globe are pouring resources into making this a reality, and we're closer than you might think. Now, let's talk about AI-powered robots. These aren't your run-of-the-mill machines. They're capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions. They could revolutionize sectors from healthcare to agriculture, performing tasks with a level of precision and consistency that surpasses human capability. Imagine robots performing intricate surgeries, or managing vast farmlands with minimal human intervention. And then we have smart homes. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, your coffee is already brewing, your favorite song is playing, and your daily schedule is laid out for you. All these, thanks to an integrated network of automated systems within your home. However, with these advancements come certain ethical considerations. What happens to jobs replaced by robots and automation? How do we ensure the safety and privacy of individuals in a world filled with AI? These are questions we must grapple with as we stride into this new era. In the grand scheme of things, the future of robotics and automation is not just about machines and technology. It's about how these advancements will shape society, culture, and our day-to-day lives. It's about finding the balance between leveraging these technologies for progress and preserving the human elements that make us who we are. The future of robotics and automation is exciting, and while it presents certain challenges, the prospects are truly limitless. As we conclude our journey into robotics and automation, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've touched upon. We've unpacked the complex world of robotics, delving into its intricate mechanics and the endless potential it holds for our future. We've also explored automation, understanding its pivotal role in increasing efficiency and productivity in various sectors. We've seen how the interplay between these two fields is driving unprecedented advances in technology, revolutionizing industries, and redefining the way we live and work. As we look towards the future, it's clear that robotics and automation will continue to be at the forefront of technological innovation. This journey has merely scratched the surface of what these fields have to offer. So as we step into the future, let's embrace the unknown with open minds and a thirst for knowledge. The world of robotics and automation is vast and ever evolving. So, stay curious, keep learning, and who knows, you might just be part of the next big revolution